This is the WE64 by Wicked Edge. It provides the fastest sharpening experience in the WE60 series line. They claim it makes touch-ups and sharpening sessions faster than ever. You'll notice the case is pretty small. It's very portable. All right, what do we got? They give you the instructions on a QR code, which is really awesome because it links to a playlist of YouTube videos, which is really handy. For coated blades, they give you a paperboard shim pack, which helps protect the finish of the blade. Base plate, guide rods, boom. Clamp, the practice blade. It's a little tool bag. And here it is, the WE64 Cobalt. Beautiful color. All right, we got 200 and 600 grit stones here and a place to store all the extra stones that you have inside the case. Very nice. All right, let's learn how to assemble this thing. Here we go. They give you all the tools you need right here to assemble this thing, which is really fun. These YouTube videos make the assembly process really easy and simple. They think of everything, which I absolutely love about this company. The depth stop key goes right in here. It's got a place in the base that's meant for it, which is always nice. These O-rings go on down to the bottom like this, and then these washers go on. This just protects the stones from hitting the mechanism and also from dust getting in there as well. All right, and then these pins go in here to the dual cam vise to hold it in place. Voila, just like that, super easy. All set up. That's literally all there is to setting this thing up. So what I can tell is different is that these angle adjustments are very, very quick and easy to set. All you have is one knob right here on the top. You loosen it and you just slide it to the angle that you want and then just tighten it down. And it doesn't take much force to tighten it down and it stays locked. I don't know what they have going on inside of these for a clamping mechanism, but that's not what I expected to happen. I thought I would have to really torque down on it. This requires almost no force to completely lock this in place, which I love. I don't even know how they did that. Amazing. Everything feels so smooth right out of the box. Just perfectly machined. Okay, so let's spin this around. We'll give it a try. First, we gotta get our depth gauge set up. Right here on the alignment guide. Open up the vise. And I'm gonna align this with where the belly of the knife starts to taper down and clamp it in place. Next, we're gonna get our stones set up on the guide rods like this. And now with a marker, you just wanna put a little bit of ink on the side of the blade so we can test to see how well we are aligned with the stones. Do a couple passes to see where the ink rubs off. Looks like I need to adjust a little bit narrower there. Just narrow up the angle. Perfect. All right, so we are sitting at 17 degrees. Yeah, looks good. I don't know how these things keep getting better, but this thing is awesome. I can tell right away that if I knew the angle setting of all my knives, if I had them written down, I could so quickly run through these and touch them up super fast in the system because I can just, boom, 20 degrees. 18 degrees, 17 degrees. I can just easily set it and go. I love the anodizing on this piece. This blue is just amazing looking. This base is heavy enough just to sharpen a small knife like this on a table, no problem. But if you want to, you can use the provided C-clamp to clamp this to a bench, which is really nice that they give you everything you need. Everything you need to sharpen a knife. And they give you a couple extra O-rings because they know humans lose things. Well, the WE64 Cobalt by Wicked Edge is absolutely stunning to look at, amazing to use, and very fast. So good. It's not sharp unless it's wicked sharp. Under 4 minutes, I have this blade doing that to paper. This thing is such an amazing system. If you haven't checked it out already, here's a discount code. Go look at it. Find a system that suits you and your needs. Get on this train. They are amazing sharpeners. I hope you found that useful, or at least entertaining. We'll see you later.